Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Zippo lighter. Firstly, hold the metal case and gently pull out the lighter insert. On the bottom of the insert, you'll see a felt pad. Use your finger, screwdriver or coin to lift the felt pad. Carefully pour Zippo lighter fluid into the cotton below the felt pad and add slowly to avoid overfilling. Wipe off any excess fluid to avoid flare-ups. Now, push the felt pad back into place and slide the insert back into the metal case. Just wait and ignite. Let it sit for a few seconds to allow any overflow to evaporate, and flip open the lid, spin the flint wheel, and your flame should appear. Just safety tips: never fill the lighter with its lid. You only use Zippo approved fluid and store away from heat or open flames when not in use. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.